Hi guys, in today's video we'll see how to create topology on EVE-NG and how to add devices and how to connect with management cloud. So we use a management cloud for connecting our PC with EVE-NG devices and also for internet access. So let's get started now. In a previous video we had seen how to create EVE-NG, how to upload, download, everything we had seen, right? So all the devices are ready, all the devices are uploaded. Just follow the previous videos in case if you get confused with how to add the devices or how to download EVNG or how to install or how to troubleshoot all those things. Please follow the previous videos. In this video, I'm just getting access to EVNG, right? You see this folder, right? Folder name. Uh, Give some name over here. Let's say I'll give lab. Add a folder. Inside a folder, click on this add new lab and write some name like routing lab. Save it. Now right click in a free space, go to node, and here you can type like I have iOS router. I'll take a router. You can change the name here. You can write it R1 or whatever it is. How many number of nodes you want? Let's say for example I need two nodes. Okay, I need five interfaces. So click on it. You can see I took two nodes over here, right? Now, let's say if I have to connect these two routers, you just have to put your mouse on that particular device and you see this cable type of option comes right in a yellow color. You need to drag that and drop on the other device and it will give you option of connecting these two devices. Now here you see R11 we have and here R12 we have. Between these two routers, which interface you want to select and you want to connect, that you can select it here. So here I have R11. On R11 I want a G0 by 0. On R12 I want a G0 by 0 itself. So I selected both the interfaces and click on save. Right. Now I want to connect this router with my base PC itself. So what you have to do, right click in a free space, go to network, and here you have type as a management cloud, select it, and you can write a name here as internet or anything, right? Or management PC. This name does not matter. Name you can just write for your purpose, like you can know for what purpose you're using this management cloud. Accordingly, you can write the name, but that name does not impact with anything. Like writing internet does not mean you get an internet access. Okay, it is just a name. So here I connected management cloud, a router, and another router. So three devices I have taken over here. Management cloud is not exactly a device. It's basically a method. It's basically a connector through which you are connecting your PC adapter and the router. So to start all these devices, go to more actions and here I have start all nodes. So individually, you don't have to click on each and every device to start it. You can right click and then also you can get option of a start or a stop. That is also fine. Now click on any particular device to get a console. Now initially it takes some time to boot. So you have to keep patience. Let it get booted. Meanwhile, I'll take some subnet. So if you want to write something on your topology, go to text option. Just right click in a free space, go to text option and write here subnet 10.11.11.0/24. Between routers, I'll configure. You can choose font size, bold, colors, anything that you want. So On the R12, I'll take .12 as an IP. I can duplicate it, double click, select it, and type .12. And again, you can duplicate this IP, I mean text, and make it as a .11. Now, between my PC and the router, I want to put a subnet as 105.0.0.0/24 subnet. And here I'll take .12 IP from the management subnet. Okay. All right. Now, if you want to change colors over here, that also you can do. Right click on that text and go to colors over here and click on save. You see color has been changed. Similarly, we will go to our PC adapter, type ncpa.cpl, and in a previous class, in a previous video, I had shown you how to connect the Microsoft loopback adapter with EVE-NG, right? So we'll use this Microsoft loopback adapter, and here we can see we have an IP 105.0.0.5 IP. Through this IP, I'll be connecting with management cloud on our EVE-NG. That's why I have taken 105 subnet over here. Now let's check our console. Devices are almost ready. I'll quickly go to R11 and configure IP. It takes some time to boot up, guys. Don't press enter for multiple times. Let's go to configure terminal. Host name R11. Interface is 0x0. IP address, I'll give 10.11.11.11 with mask of 24 and say no shirt. Accordingly, I'll go to R12. So enable configure terminal, host name R12, interface is 0x0, IP address 10.11.11.12 with mask of 24. And I'll say no shirt. Correct. I have other interface as well, G0x1. I'll configure IP address 105.0.0.12 with mask of 24. And I'll say no shirt, given right command. Now I'll go to my base PC, open command prompt and ping IP like 105.0.0.12. And you see we have a connectivity. Now regarding this connectivity between PC to a router, I'll show you some settings. Those settings should be properly configured on your VMware. So go to VMware and go to edit, go to virtual network editor, click on change settings, and you have to ensure. In a previous video, I had shown you guys if you get issue with VM Net Zero adapter, then what you have to do or how you have to do a solution. So once you have VM Net Zero over here, select Microsoft Loopback Adapter here itself and click on apply and OK. And that's how you'll be doing bridging between your PC and VMware. Once this is done, go to settings of your EVE-NG and make sure your adapter is in a bridge mode. Okay, make sure this is in a bridge mode, connected at power on. Make sure all these options are clicked. So this much setting if you do, you can have a connectivity between your PC and EVE-NG devices, right? So I can see from my PC, I'm able to ping the router, which is connected on EVE-NG, and between R12 and R11 also, if you want to check the connectivity, you can check out. Well, let's go to R11 itself and ping R12 interface 10.11.11.12. So guys, now here we can say it's reachable. So this is how you basically add the devices on the EVE-NG and configure the devices or connect your base PC with EVE-NG devices, right? So that's how you can create a small topology or big topology on EVE-NG. So this was complete package of EVE-NG training, guys. Okay, so total 4 videos are there. So if you want to master EVE-NG from zero to hero, just follow all the videos from first till end. Total 4 videos are there. Okay, don't miss any of the videos in between. Okay, thank you guys. Take care.